Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a Trixie Tang Fairly Odd Parents super easy, simple cosplay. For some of you who probably are just starting on cosplay and don't want to do the whole having to buy a Disney princess character, having to do the whole thing, this is a cos test, which means you can just pick out things from your own wardrobe and just kind of put them together. It's not an official costume or cosplay. So I just thought it would be really fun to do something from Fairly Odd Parents. It's nostalgic and nobody really does that, so I don't know. I just came on here and did it. But anyways, this is the look I came up with. Super cute, super easy. And I'm going to be talking about this wig right here. It definitely completes the look. I think it is super adorable. Now this wig right here is from Kalyss and it is an Amazon online retail shop. I absolutely love Kalyss. If you are not new to my channel, then you wouldn't know this, but if you have been watching my videos for a while now, then you would have noticed that in a lot of my videos I use wigs from Kalyss, and the reason I do that is because their wigs are super inexpensive. Like this wig right here is their 28 inches long silky black wig. Kalyss is perfect if you're into cosplay or just you want to do a quick costume, because the wigs are inexpensive and most of their wigs are good for a costume, but they also have natural looking wigs. I would say this is a more on the natural side wig instead of cosplay. I mean, you can use it for cosplay purposes like I have, or I mean you can also use this for Sailor Mars too. I don't know. They have really good natural wigs too. Like I reviewed a wig from them when I did my Phoebe Charmed look, so that was a nice highlighted wig. The early 2000s are making a comeback with the highlights. They have lots of cute highlighted wigs, and trust me, you'll be seeing a lot more videos in the future with me using their products because I love them. Like this wig right here is only $20. It's on Amazon Prime and you can get it like in a day. They do have free one day if you do have Prime, which I love, and it definitely completes the look, don't you think? I think it looks great. It's 28 inches, so it's really long. As you can see, it goes past my waist. It's silky, and this is how it looks like in the back. It came nice and straight right out of the bag. So every Kalyss wig arrives like this in one of these bags, and they're all 100% synthetic wigs, so you can add a little bit of heat to the wigs if you're not happy with the style. If you do have a problem with their wigs, they're returnable as well, which I absolutely love about Kalyss. And they don't have clips. Most of their wigs don't have clips. This one in particular does not have built-in clips. It does have an adjustable strap at the bottom for security if you are wearing this to a cosplay event, which 2020 is kind of canceled right now, so I don't know about that, but I'm hopeful for Halloween. And I will be using these wigs obviously for Halloween tutorials as well, but I absolutely love this style in particular. I love the blunt bangs. It came this way. Of course, everything will be linked down below, but if you guys came to see how to look like Trixie Tang, then just keep watching. So starting first, of course, I am going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is my favorite foundation right now for cosplay because as you can see, it goes into my skin very well and it's the exact shade and blends nicely. So that's what you want to do, obviously. I mean, foundation 101. And I've been working remote, so I've been kind of tired looking. So let's get rid of these dark circles and pigment on my eye with a concealer. I like to use the Maybelline, I can't remember what this is called, but Fit Me concealer. I always use this for cosplay as well because with cosplay, I usually just do it at home. I don't really go out unless there's a con, so I'm not going to be wasting my really pricey concealers, so I just use this one right here. And then I take my Airspun powder. I use this all the time. My favorite powder right now. I used to use the Laura Mercier. I love that one too, but I can only get that when I'm splurging. So I'm setting my face with that powder. Then I'm going to take the Norvina palette and I'm going to use this light shade right here as a base. And I am going to be going in with a purple eye. I know a lot of you are probably wondering why I did not do my brows, but I don't know. But I'll get into that real quick right now. I'm taking Amethyst Glam, this palette right here, and taking that lavender shade and using a card and just kind of having it flare out like a huge wing on the eye. I could have done the brows. She does have black brows, but I thought that since I had bangs, there was no point for me to fill in my eyebrows. But you could see in the beginning that the eyebrows were peeking through the bangs a little bit, but that's just the trick of the light. Honestly, when I took pictures, you couldn't see it. That's just me being lazy. Go ahead and fill in your eyebrows black. That would look a lot better, trust me. If I'm wearing this out to a con, I'm not going to skip that step. But anyways, I'm taking Soul from the Norvina palette, and that's just going to deepen up that outer V because that lavender color is very light. I have never found a really good lavender color that is super pigmented, so if you guys know any brands that sell it, let me know. Next, I'm going to do eyeliner. I've been using this thing called the Flick Stick. I think this is really cool for creating the perfect wing. I mean, you just stamp the wing and then you kind of mold it to look however you want. And this is the 10 millimeter, I think that's what it's called. But I like it a lot. My eyeliner has been bomb using this and it stays on all day. And I noticed that even with the toughest waterproof eyeliner waterproof makeup remover, it's kind of hard to come off. So that's something new that I tried out this month and I love it. So then I'm going to be lining my eyes with black eyeliner, and then we're going to move on to mascara. Obviously, coat your lashes all evenly with your favorite black mascara. We're going to skip falsies for this cosplay. This isn't a super crazy cosplay. It's very simple. You don't even need lashes, but I felt to give myself more of a winged emphasis, I used some half magnetic lashes by Ardell. These are my favorite magnetic lashes. They're just the half lashes and they just go on the outer ends of your eyes. Give your eyes a nice lift, and I love them. Then taking my favorite drugstore blush called Tea Rose by Milani, I'm just going to place that all over my cheeks. I've been getting kind of like a 60s look from this. I don't know. I just think it's really cute. The light lavender colors. It's very springtime and pastel. I always thought purple was my murder color. I don't know why. I just don't think it looks good on me, but I like the way this looks. Then I'm taking a Kylie lip kit, and this is in the shade Coco K. And I'm going to line my lips with Coco K and use the liquid lipstick as well, the matching liquid lipstick. I felt like pink complements the purple really well, but you can opt for a nude. But that is the Trixie makeup look, you guys. Okay guys, this is my Trixie Tang inspired look. I hope you enjoyed. I love the purple. Super simple with simple magnetic lashes, very light makeup. It's very easy to achieve. It's not overwhelming. So if you're a new cosplayer, then I really recommend cosplaying Trixie Tang because it's a cute nostalgic character and it's you'll know who you're gonna be unless you didn't grow up in that generation or whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next cosplay video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on my cosplay account. I really have a goal of hitting 10K this year on my cosplay account, and here is a preview of how it looks. Just give me a follow and you can request looks on there as well for cosplay in the future. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!